How to subscribe to Twitch with Amazon Prime. So it's really easy. You have to just go to Google, look for Prime Gaming here, click on Prime Gaming, and once the Prime Gaming website comes up, you will get this option of sign in here. So on the top right side corner, just go and click on sign in. But if you don't have Prime, then you won't be able to access, right? Just like me here, once I'm logged in into my account here, I will get this option of my account settings and everything. But if you have a Prime, then you will get this option of manage Twitch accounts, right? Same way in your profile. But you can only see once you have the Amazon Prime subscription. It's look like this. Then you have to just go and click. Usually you will find on here, right? Which I've already told you. Now go and click on manage Twitch account. Now here you will get this option of connect to Twitch account. So you have to just go and click on connect to Twitch account here. And once you go and click on it, you have to use your Twitch account. So basically it will take you to Twitch website and you have to just sign in into your account and it will get connected, right? And in this you can access. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.